man at standpipe, dancehall's doctor at 52. The good times rolling again now that he's back on the road in the US, along with the likes of Bounty Killer and Vibes Cartel, DJs in their prime, with hits to play to live audiences starved of appearances by some of the biggest names in dancehall. How does it feel to be 50-something as a dancehall artist?
Yeah, it always feels great because every time as a kid, you always want to be older. You want to always be that man. You see? So, when you reach that age and come up that age, you realize...
Partying as hard as you're known to do.
Well, I'm working harder, not partying. Guys,
why are you working harder now?
I am more in demand, so I have no time to party.
At this point, though, people like you have a team to make the load less heavy. Do you have a team in place?
I do have a team, yeah, but I mostly work with my wife. Yeah, like seriously, she make everything happen.
You have trust issues?
Well, no, really. I trust who I trust, and I love who I love.
It wasn't like he was stuck in Jamaica, but his return to the US, a big deal indeed. No market bigger. But you have to structure things. Were you as prepared as maybe you should have been going back to the States?
And tell me that one thing, if you know about me, I'm always prepared. When it comes to doing shows and pleasing my fans and make my fans feel good about themselves, that when them come to a Beenie Man show, them can go home and speak about it. You know my thing. My thing is always about them. And it's all about the people.
I hear you, but I have to be honest. It did seem that it was a little low-key, your return to the American stage.
No, well...
the fanfare that some other people got didn't seem to be there when you went back to the States.
Yeah, but that have nothing to do with me.
Yeah, but was that a matter of preparation?
No, it's very...
Because Moses, Beenie Man is a big star.
True. But every time you're doing things, you have to have the right promoters, the right people who is promoting the show, and the right promotion. You understand what I say? But when you have fans, like what we have, you don't think you need that. You just go on and your fans them support you. Yes, certain things, yeah, boom, 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 but no. Because we get the same sold-out show, we get the same venues, and we sell out the same venue where everybody else sold out.
If that were the case, why was the hype missing?
There's no hype, because we don't do hype, Anthony Miller. We don't do hype, man, none at all, man. We be who we are.